Oops. And as the name of the pack suggests, it's the Demo Destruction set. Hopefully I haven't chipped the paint on my desk. Oh, the white shows up all the bits. Oh, but yes. We've got another 5-pack to take a look at today. This is the Hot Wheels Demo Destruction. I'll quickly pan around to the back so you can see the awesome destruction happening on the back of the pack there. These 5 packs are awkward to record, at least at this desk. So in this pack, we can see on there we got the destruction happening, and for whatever reason the tow truck speeding away or getting crashed into. Interesting. We have the Project Speeder, the Repo Duty, the Cruise Bruiser, the Blindsided, and the Flat Iron. So this is a fully fantasy car pack. Now, this was a tricky one for me because I think I bought the last Demo Destruction. There's no real life castings, and the ones in here are they're alright, but there's just the 2 crashed cars are just what sold it for me. I think they're brilliant. So we're going to be taking a closer look at them. So, do you know what? Let's see if we can rip this one open. Let's destroy it. Destruction time. That's the easiest pack to open all day. I've opened 3 other packs. They'll be on the channel. I'll link them at the end if you want to check them out. But out of them all, that was the easiest to open. Funny that. So I'll quickly get these cars out. I've got lightheaded. Oh, I don't know why that's made me laugh so much. Right, calm yourself. It's not that funny. Oh, I'm destroying everything. Oh, that did actually chip. I've left a purple mark on the desk. Oh, it's not gonna see. There it is. Oh, it can't really focus. It's left. I've dropped it and it's left purple marks on the desk. Oh no, my brand new desk. It's the 4th video on this, the 5th video on this desk, and I've already marked it. Anyway, that's going to happen. I need to get some sort of mat to record on, don't I? I can't. I don't know why that made me laugh so much. It's just hilarious. It's just flat. Oh, right. I'm going to be right back to try and get my breath back. Okay, 1 dose of Ventolin later and I'm back. So, let's start things off with the car that nearly gave me an asthma attack. It's the Flatiron 045. What is this? This is the Flat Iron. Flatiron. It says Flatiron. It's together. It says Flatiron. This is the Flat Iron. I think it gets the name because it's been a little bit squished. See, I think I said this before, the last demo pack. I love this. I love this kind of thing because, like, especially if you've got the monster trucks or like you want a crashed car to play with. I used to love playing with my cars as a kid, and I used to always they'd always get involved in some sort of accident, and I've always wished I had more broken cars, or even wish I had cars that had crash or braking physics. So cars, you crash them and the bonnet would open or something would fly off. Was quite cool, but I always wished there'd be one that had like an actual crumpling physic that you could like crash it into a wall and it crumpled up and you could squish it back out again. There's probably no material that can actually realistically do that. I would love to make something like that. Yeah, so I used to smash up some cars. I didn't break cars I liked or nice cars. I only destroyed cars that were already like really broken, like rusted up, or you know. I wasn't that much for a brute, but yeah, I used to make this. But you could never get it right. You could never get panels bent. Stuff would break off. So like, if you dared break the front up, it just split the front plastic and it'd fall apart, or the wheels would crumple in. This way, you actually get a rolling car. That has the proper metal crushed. I love this so much. You even put a little steering wheel in there. That's brilliant. And then, yeah, I say all of it's flattened down. You got all the bent panels. Like, look at the detail in the dents. That's really well done. I mean, the only difference with this is obviously if this was realistic, it'd have more scrapes and stuff. But obviously, you could scratch the paint yourself anyway. I like the colour. I do like the dark red, and yeah, it just looks so good. It looks like a Chevy, like a Chevelle, like the Chevelle wagon. It's almost got like a Golf front to it. You got the little bent grille on there as well. Then there's the stripes on the side. You got the two different sets of wheels. You got the white ones on the front and the grey on the back. And look at the back there. You can see where like the monster truck or big truck has sort of ramped up the back of it, smushed the back end in, and gone over it. I just love it. I don't want to spend too long on that, but I love that so much. That's awesome. Oh, that's brilliant. Next up, we have the Cruise Bruiser. This is a pretty cool casting, to be fair. Sort of a Gasser-inspired car, I suppose, with the lifted up front and the massive engine and exhaust stacks coming out there. That's really cool. We've got the massive front ram bar. That looks really, really nice. I do like the paint job, actually. We've got the white, and then we've got these sort of paint splotches and Cruise Bruiser written on the side there as well, sort of all graffiti painted on. That's really, really cool. Fits this pack really well. And then we've got the two colour wheels to fit in with those tampos. Yeah, this is really nice. We've got a bloody anchor in the back of this. They're trying to make it really heavy so it crashes through things better or something. Yeah, no, that's pretty cool. I do quite like that casting. Maybe a bit biased because I have a super variant of it, I'm not sure. But yeah, pretty cool. And here we have another variation of the off-duty. This one is the Repo Duty. So as I was saying in the last video, I did an off-road pack and it had a off-duty in it. They do a few variations of this. This is kind of like their default pickup truck. So we got a tow vehicle of it here. It says Wreck Recovery on the side. We've got a 24-hour logo at the top there, and like a chain decal going over the top of the wing there. Really nice. Got lens lights, a big front crash bar as well. There's your little hero lights on the top. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I imagine it'll repo this car really well because of the front wheels, so you can hook them on there. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it does do it. I wonder if we can do the crashed car at all. Yeah, we can do it backwards. Back end on first. That holds pretty well. That's actually pretty good. No, that's pretty cool, that. Yeah, I do quite like that. I like the option of having a recovery car. Again, if I was younger, or back when I used to play with Hot Wheels a lot, this would have been a cool little addition. I like that. Oh, why weren't these 5-packs a thing when I was younger and playing with cars? Why am I just suddenly finding them now? I could have really done with these when I was younger. And this is another really funny one. I love this. Whoa. Camera's falling. I haven't got a new camera stand yet. I must get onto that. So there's the base quickly. This is the blind-sided. I love the door. Just the way it kind of sticks out, and it's all metal. It's really well done. I love this. There's the front all smashed up a little, all sort of bent up, and as you can see, the roof's been completely caved in again, all sticking up in random places. I like just how random it is as well. Just add something dry straight over the top of it. Yeah, that's just really funny. I like the decals on this as well. Number 3, and all these stripes on the side. They've obviously done the effort of making these cars look pretty cool and pretty before completely destroying them. Steely wheel on the front and a sort of fat 5-spoke on the back. Both different colours as well. Yeah, I just think it's really cool. I like the colour scheme. The old light green base and the green stripes on the side and all that. Pretty cool indeed. I like that. Ah dear. It was predominantly these two cars that I bought this pack for. I was sitting there questioning it for a while, but I couldn't help myself. It's got a skull wheel. Wait, I've never seen that wheel before. Is that new? Or have Hot Wheels used this before? Okay, if anyone knows if this is a new wheel or if it's been used before, you've got to let me know in the comments. I've never seen that wheel before. That's cool. So this one's got skull wheels on the front and Steely's on the back. What one was this again? This is the Project Speeder. I think I've seen this casting before in some multi-packs. It's quite unique. They've sort of taken the side wings off, or fenders off, and put some weird sort of old school lights on the front. Got the engine sticking out at the top there, and you can see it all exposed down the sides there. Almost like a hot rod type look. Maybe they've done it for weight reduction. You've got the cool flames down the side with the number 2. Nice purple colour, sort of metallic glittery purple. We've got the green contrast as well. Massive rear green tail light. Lens light as well. That looks cool. That's really cool looking, that. And we got, is that a parachute? Maybe parachute on the back. The little exhaust down there. Yeah, maybe a parachute. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool indeed. Those wheels are very unique. Yeah, now that is awesome. I've got to say, that is a very cool pack. It definitely appeals to the child within me. I would have loved to have this pack when I was younger. I love the wreck cars so much. As you can probably tell, I've just come back to film this because I thought this was quite interesting. So obviously this car hasn't really got an interior. I mean, it just wouldn't need one. But it has got the dashboard with the steering wheel. And I didn't notice this in the main video, but they've used the base. I was sitting wondering what this weird hole was about. But yeah, they've actually used the base there to make this part of the dashboard. So this sticks up all the way up to here. That's quite clever. That's quite interesting. I mean, whether they could have covered that over, I suppose this just demonstrates how they're made. Like, they don't make them in a way that they could print it and then cover that back over. It is literally just formed to this shape. But yeah, that's quite interesting. Pretty awesome. So yeah, I mean, let me know what you think. What do you think of the damaged cars that they are making? I think they're awesome. But yeah, everyone will have a different opinion, so let me know your opinion down below. What do you think of this 5-pack? Do you think it's worth the money? I'm still debating it. It's a difficult one. They're pretty expensive, I must admit. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, opinions down below. Of course, while you're down there, be sure to hit the like and sub button and all that amazing stuff. It's always fun reading your comments and hearing your opinions, so be sure to drop something down below. But anyway, as always, I wish you all the best of luck in your peg hunts, and I hope you're all doing well. I shall see you, hopefully, again in the next video.